Okay, nifty thrifty fans, this is a vintage Kenmore. Actually, it's from 6970. It's a model 1753. 1.2 amp, all metal, of course, and this is one of the heavy ones. It's like 30 plus pounds. The looks are always deceiving. Some are light and some are not. This is one of the ones that are not. It is a nice, easy to operate, basic machine. It has 4 built-in stitches. Sorry, my mind went blank. It has straight zigzag, multi-point zigzag, and blind stitch. And then it has the cam option. Of course, the cam goes under the top panel. Uses the Kenmore C cams. 8 cams are included, and yes, there are 2 that are different color, but they will still work. They're all C cams. They all work. The double stack are reverse or stretch cams. The single stack are regular decorative cams. There are a total of 30 cams available if you'd like to buy a complete set on eBay. But this machine does include 8 cams. It's a low shank machine. Comes with a box of low shank goodies, zipper foot, satin stitch foot, straight stitch foot, roller foot, bobbins, screwdriver, and although not in the best of condition, it does include the original instruction manual held together by a clip, as you can see. Cosmetically, it's nice. It does have a paint loss spot right here on the front edge. Other than that, it's really decent. Here's a little tiny ding here, but very nice. 15 by 1 needles, class 15 bobbins. This is your insert that flips from straight to zigzag, so you don't have to change the whole needle plate. It does have a buttonhole drive. Don't have a buttonholer to include. The manual will show you which buttonholer that you need. Has the typical 17-inch or 16 3/4 inch Kenmore deck. It's tabletop ready, or you can put it in a Kenmore case or carrying case or cabinet. Blah. Check my other listings, as I do have a few cases available right now. Case will ship separately from the machine, so neither one is damaged en route. This is a very heavy machine. Would not be smart to ship it in a case because it's just not. 40 pounds of steel and plastic don't mix when you're on FedEx trucks cross country, so I do ship them individually. 1.2 amp, as I said, all metal. Starting out with the multi-point zigzag. It's a nice machine. If you're just beginning, it's not hard to use. If you're a seasoned craftsman, you know, it's a true sewing machine. It's not a computerized thing where you got to learn all these buttons, and you actually have to sew using one of these, which of course, in classic Kenmore style, it has lots of room under the presser foot. It has a very high lift, and that will be demonstrated with quarters in the photos. I'm going to put in a stretch cam just so you can see it working with the cam. We will do this one. And as I said, they do make different colors of cams. There's mint green, grass green, beige, and orange. They're all C cams. They will all work in your machine. This happens to be the grass green colored one. And it is a stretch cam. There we go. It does have your adjustment on the back side to either tighten up or lengthen your design. See the fabric moving forward and backward. That's your, here's where I tightened it up a little using the knob on the back, and then I was lengthening it again. But you can see, very nice. Make sure you get that cam out of there, or it's going to keep sewing stretch stitch even if you don't want it to. And we'll go around to a regular stitch. Let's do a multi-point zigzag on 5 layers of denim. I'm using a size 16 needle. Here's where the lift comes in handy. Look at all that lift. You can just lift it up so you can move your project. If you have questions about this machine, don't hesitate to email me. I've been putting my email in the videos so you can easily find it. Our machines are available on eBay, and this one might be already sold, but I do leave my videos uploaded as reference if you found one of these machines at a thrift shop or a yard sale or an estate sale. I used to delete them, but I've quit deleting them because a lot of people thank me for leaving them on there just to see their machine work if they found one somewhere. A couple layers of leather. Of course, it will sew more. I'm out of leather. I got to get up to the leather shop. I'm just throwing a couple small pieces together. I am desperate for leather at this time. And as you can see, it has no qualms about just blasting right through it. Of course, this is not an industrial machine. I don't offer our machines as industrial. They're heavy duty, all metal. Better than anything you're going to find today, and they're going to last longer. I mean, they're going to still be working when your grandkids are your age, so as long as they're taken care of, and they are easily taken care of at home with a toothbrush and a bottle of sewing machine oil. That's all you need. This machine should never need to see the inside of a repair shop. Never. Should never. Seriously. And that is the Kenmore model 1753 vintage 1.2 amp cam machine.